Google just completely shocked the world yesterday with 5 brand new updates that they released during the Google I/O conference, and in this video we're going to cover all of them because they just released a 24/7 AI agent that can automate your work for you. In addition to that, they released a brand new video model that's now the best one that exists, and so many other updates. So let's dive into what all these changes are, and they're only going to keep getting more and more insane. Okay, so the first update that we need to cover is now you are going to see a brand new UI inside of Gemini. So now we have new chat, we have where we can actually search through our chats, we could see all of our images right here, our videos, and we can also see that they've now released Create Videos with Gemini Omni, which allows you to create anything so you can combine images, text, and videos. You could put yourself into any scene by creating an avatar, and you can refine with Gemini incredibly easy. So not only does this allow you to create videos, it also allows you to edit videos. In addition to that, we're going to see that we now have a library right here. This is basically a revamped way for us to be able to see everything that we've created. If we come under gems, we're going to see the new and improved gems right here. But what I really wanted to emphasize here was how good Omni is right here. So we could see that there are several different things that you could do. When you're actually doing this, you could come over here and click on this plus, and you could see that we could actually upload files here. For example, we could upload videos if we wanted to be able to manipulate a video with Omni, or we could upload an image of ourselves or an avatar if we wanted to make it actually do something, or something along the lines of that. So what we're actually able to do is just describe exactly what we want this to create. We could add things in right here, and we could choose the aspect ratio. In addition to that, the other thing that I would note is you can actually specify to this how long you actually want to create videos. For example, we could say something like make an 8-second video of a professor writing on a chalkboard explaining E=mc². Now I'm going to have this be landscape right here. We click on submit, and now this is going to go through, and this is actually going to generate this. And then once it's actually generated, what I'm going to do is show you how we could also use it to, in fact, edit videos, which is pretty crazy. Now, while it goes off and did that, I did want to actually show you the updated policy guidelines for Gemini. You cannot do things that threaten child safety. You can't do things around dangerous activities, violence and gore, harmful factual inaccuracies, harassment, incitement, discrimination, or sexually explicit material. And again, if you do try to do these things, it will flag you. And in even worse cases, Gemini might actually kick you off the platform. Okay, so now we can see that this has actually gone ahead. This has created it. And I want to show you exactly what this looks like.
This equation shows that energy and matter are just two sides of the same coin, and a tiny amount of mass holds.
Now, what's really incredible about this is how it comes from multiple different angles, how it has him talking, how the sound looks incredible. Everything about this looks great. And this is going to be amazing for creating content, for creating B-roll, and pretty much creating anything that you could think of. And the other thing that's also really cool is we can now get this to edit things. For example, maybe I don't like what he's wearing. I'm going to say, let's change him to wearing a navy blue suit. And now what this is going to do is this is actually going to edit the video. Just like that, this goes through, it actually thinks through what needs to be done. And now it's actually creating me a completely another video that I can show you. Now we can see just like that, this went through, actually edited the video. Now he's in a navy blue suit, and this is incredible because it kept everything else about the video exactly the same. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about is Gemini Spark. What this is going to be is your 24/7 personal AI agent. Now, they announced this yesterday, but it doesn't actually get released until next week. But essentially what this allows you to do is navigate and automate your digital life. You're able to give it a task, and it works in the background 24/7, even if your phone and your laptop are turned off. It operates autonomously, but always under your direction. And we can actually come down here and see a little bit of what this actually looks like. We could see that we're going to be able to add in a bunch of different schedules right here. So we could edit it, we could run now, we could pause, we could choose when it's going to happen, we could choose what it's going to do. In addition to that, we could see right here that we could do things like create different skills with it. We could create the ghostwriter skill. We could do Google Drive file organization. So this can actually take actions on your behalf inside of different tools or different drives that you're doing, and so many other things right here. For example, we could literally have this go through and set up an automation to track and organize incoming leads, which is pretty crazy. And what's really cool is that this is able to actually operate inside of your inbox. This is able to operate inside of every other connector that you actually set up here. And what you are going to find is that this is actually incredibly easy to operate with. And it can also browse things, book things, and buy things. So it can literally do all of the research and live web browsing in order to buy things across multiple websites, compare options, and even help you complete bookings or buying stuff. And this right here is incredible. I cannot wait until this actually gets released. Again, this will be coming out next week. Now, before we get into those other changes, I did want to bring something up. Have you noticed that Claude has been the talk of the town lately? People are loving Claude Code, Claude Design. They're even the ones that came up with MCP and so much else. And personally, I do believe that Claude is actually the most powerful AI tool right now because it allows you to go from idea to app in a really short period of time. It can help you create full presentations. And because of Cowork, they literally allow you to run your life on autopilot with all the tools that you want to be connected to. And naturally, everybody everywhere is telling you to learn Claude, but they don't tell you how. And that's why I wanted to make sure that you knew about the world's first Claude-a-thon, a deep dive into Claude, its use cases, and 10 other AI tools happening this weekend from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern. And just for my audience, they have 1,000 free seats for a limited time. More than 10 million people across the world have already attended this, and it's rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. And I would recommend that you take me up on this and go to the pinned comment below and get into this right now. Again, it's literally 100% free because in the workshop, you'll do deep research on Claude, build your own artifacts and dashboards, create full presentations using Claude, set up Claude connectors like Indeed to automate your job search. You're gonna master more than 10 plus AI tools, build custom GPTs and agents, generate visuals and videos with AI, and at the end of it, you're gonna be in a situation to automate your entire week. And if you sign up right now as a bonus, you get 50 secret Claude codes that will make it God level tool for you, an AI prompt library, and a personalized AI toolkit builder, all for free. And the best part is that you're gonna get mentored by leaders from Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and NVIDIA. And what you learn this weekend in just 2 days will change the next 2 years of your life. So please go to the pinned comment below and get registered today for free before spaces fill up. And make sure you scan the QR code and join the WhatsApp community before all the seats are taken up. Now, the next update that we need to talk about was going to be to Google Flow. If you come to labs.google, you are going to find this tool right here, and you can see that we could click into this and we could actually create from inside of here, which is really cool, after we actually go through and accept these things right here. And what's actually really cool about this is that this just got a massive upgrade. So we can now see multiple different upgrades here. The first one that we want to find is you now have a creative partner at every step. So it can help you brainstorm, prompt, edit. You can make your own tools inside of Google Flow right here. So basically you could create, remix, and share tools. You could use your face, your voice, your story. And this right here allows you to actually add in characters now. We now have a mobile app for this via the Flow app. So you could create things on the go. And this uses Gemini Omni Flash. Now let's say that we actually click in to create a new product right here. We could actually see everything that is going to be brand new right here, which is pretty awesome. Now I'm just going to speed run through this right here so you could actually see exactly what this looks like. So we could start by creating or dropping in media right here. We could see that we could come over here and we could change between all of the different image models that Google allows. You could change the aspect ratio, how many it's going to create. In addition to that, we could do the same exact thing with videos right here. We could come over here and we could use Omni, we could use VO 3.1 and all of these different models. Now what you'll notice right here is that Omni Flash inside of here does require you to upgrade, but what I really wanted to show you here is that now you could add in characters. So you could describe your character and actually build it if you wanted to. You could have your character be you. This basically allows you to now create AI avatars from inside of here, which is pretty crazy. In addition to that, if we come into scenes right here, you'll be able to actually manage all of your different scenes. And if we come over into tools, we could see all of the different tools that this actually gives us access to. For example, there's an image editor, there's a sketch, there's a scene explorer, so you can actually create visuals based on an initial location. Like if you wanted to do something, I'm in Montana right now, if we want to do something with Yellowstone, we could do all this stuff with images. When it comes to videos right here, we can see that we can now add in text, we could add effects on here. We can apply post-processing effects like lo-fi and glitch. We could sketch things in. We could do designs. We could resize videos. Basically what they just did was made an AI version of video creators and video editors and combine them into this Google Flow app, which is crazy. If you guys want to see a full-length video on everything that you could do with this, let me know in the comments section. But otherwise, we need to move on to AI Studio. So now if we come over to AI Studio, what you are going to notice is now you can come in here in the top right-hand corner. We are going to come under Gemini right here, and we are going to see two things. First and foremost, they released Gemini 3.5 Flash. This is the most intelligent model for sustained frontier performance in agentic encoding tasks. We could see the knowledge cutoff. We could see it was released yesterday. We could see how cheap it is to actually operate. Actually, it's pretty expensive for a Flash model. In addition to that, you're also going to see agents right here. You can now run autonomous agents in a remote Google hosted Linux environment via the API, which is pretty crazy. If we click into this, you could see that we can now go through and we could build out customer support agents, repo maintainer, document processor, data analyst by literally just typing into this and saying what we want the agent to do. And it will actually go through and create those different agents in that remote environment, which is absolutely insane that Google releases for free. And then that last update that I wanted to show you is actually going to be to AI mode, because this is the first update that they've done to search in like 25 years. We could see right here that this is now actually going to have your memory, and it's going to go through and actually suggest things that we should look at right here. And we could see that this is a completely revamped version of search right here, which is pretty cool. And instead of us actually going through a bunch of links, this actually answers us and then gives us the links and the resources where it got its information, so we could check it if we want to. In addition to that, we see the actual links on the right hand side here. We're also going to see images under here. We're going to see videos. This pretty much looks very similar to the old way of doing search, but there's one other thing I wanted to show you here, and that is that now we could actually click on plus right here, and you could upload images, you could upload files, you can create images, you can open up Canvas, and you could choose which model is actually powering your search right now. In addition to that, we could see history right here. We could open up new tabs, open up new chats. We could talk to this and search by voice if we wanted to, or we could search by an image. And this is all now powered by Gemini. And I think that this is going to make the search experience so much better. I also think that this is going to open up a very, very interesting way for us to be able to run ads on Google in the future. And if you're like me, you're really looking forward to what Google is going to be announcing today, because in just a few hours, the new announcements are going to come out. And I'm going to drop a video on that tomorrow. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you see it tomorrow. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about ChatGPT and Google Gemini's latest upgrades, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through every one of these updates and things you might have missed.